Virgin Galactic, hold right where you are. I'm about to make the best Virgin Galactic video in the history of the world ever. This is going to go viral. Why? Because I said so. Are you ready? So I'm going to show you something now which will tell you why I'm so bullish on Virgin Galactic. Just going to put everything into context because everyone's lazy. And I mean that. Everybody wants to get rich in 5 minutes without doing anything. But I'm going to prove to you, actually, it's not as bad at Virgin Galactic as you think. And after this video goes viral, everyone's going to buy it and the stock's going to go up. Watch. So first of all, smash the like button. Have you done that? Have you done that? It's very important to smash the like button. Otherwise, you just don't give any love to the show and it just isn't very nice. And next thing you have to do is click the subscribe button, which is right above my head. Here it comes. If you click that, there you go, done that? All right, you've done that. Brilliant. Marvelous. Now then, I'm going to put some context into this for you and just to, you know, put some magic on it. If we look at over the last year, Virgin Galactic, since mid-January, so that's around about there, look, around about mid-January, 64% down. All right, scroll to the end, and now we're down 80%. Okay. So around about, what, 15% down in the year? Something like that. Depends on what day you do it on. It ranges between 10 and 15%, okay? Since the middle of January, okay? Virgin Galactic, everyone's high risk. It's going nowhere. It's going to zero. All this nonsense. It's only down about 10, 15% since mid-January, okay? And we are, what, September the 20th now. So nearly all year with nothing happening, no flights, nothing going on, deliveries, and, sorry, delays. It's down about 10 to 15%. Let's, however, look on another stock, which you would regard as the most stable stock there is. Let's look at VOO or SPY, the same thing really. And this is the S&P 500. And let's go around about mid-January. There we go. Around about there, look, mid-January. We're at zero, thereabouts. All right, depends what day you do it, all right? Round about there. And then we go down all the way to where we are now, 11%. Virtually the same. Virtually the same. And you might argue, depending on what day you do it, that Virgin Galactic is down less than the S&P 500, which over 90 years has been between 10 and 20% on average a year for its returns. So is Virgin Galactic really the worst stock in the world? Is it really that high risk? I don't think so. And to prove it, I thought it's worth mentioning I have bought even more shares today. 2,211, in fact. It's the biggest part of my portfolio. In fact, it's just slightly less than VOO right now. So, this is not a commercial for Virgin Galactic. I'm not a fan of anything, but I am a fan of making money. And Virgin Galactic is getting a very bad rap right now because people are impatient. In fact, just for a little bit of fun right now, one of my investors who watches my show every single day, I won't tell you his name because he'll never forgive me. But he didn't even realize until today, and this is not a criticism of you, by the way, he didn't realize today that Virgin Galactic has a great deal with Boeing building supersonic jets. It just shows you the climate that we're in. We used to know what we were investing in. We used to go to our bank manager and invest, and we looked at the balance sheet. I did a poll the other day. Most people don't even look at the balance sheet of a stock they're buying. Doesn't that tell you everything about investing today? We could do it on our app because it looks cool and it looks fun and we like the name of it. Reality is, Virgin Galactic, most people that are buying it or selling it probably don't know what the stock does. They think it's merely a tourist stock. They don't even perhaps know about the CEO, that he worked at Disney on the entertainment side of things, the themed events. That's so important. They don't know that. They also don't know the pedigree of Virgin Galactic and, Virgin with Richard Branson. But more importantly, everyone believes in the S&P 500 and it's down about the same as Virgin Galactic over the same period from January to now. Does that really tell you that Virgin Galactic is high risk? Nope, not at all. But what it does tell you is people are selling out because they don't know what it is. And they're also selling it out because it sounds cheap. It's not cheap. This is the price of the stock, not the value. And right now, people are selling it out because it sounds cheap and they think it's going to go to zero. It's going nowhere. It's got money in the bank for the next year and a half at least. And the moment it flies next year, up go the stocks. So I've got 2,000 plus now, in fact 2,200. I will trim off the top because I've overextended. I'm not a rich guy. I've gone over the top with this. And as it pops up to 550, 560, I'll start trimming off the top. That's all to protect my portfolio and also to give me virtually all free stocks. I'll start trimming off my profits. So there you go. Virgin Galactic versus VU. What's the better bet? What's going to rise the most? What's going to make you most money? Take care of yourselves and each other.